Now, moving over, a day after the Nepal government released a new map that includes parts of the Indian territory, the Minister of External Affairs has reacted sharply, calling it a unilateral act. India has urged Kathmandu to reconsider its decision. In a statement, the MEA says that Nepal should refrain from such unjustified cartographic assertion. New Delhi has also urged Kathmandu to respect India's sovereignty and territorial integrity. Nepal released a map just yesterday claiming Lipulekh to be a part of their territory after Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the Lipulekh Road. India, in the face of Nepalese protests, clarified that the road was built inside Indian territory, belongs to India. Now, the Himalayan nation has also blamed India for the spike in coronavirus cases. Let's take a quick look at the report.
November 2014. The streets of Kathmandu were resonating with chants of Modi Modi. Cut to May 2020, and Nepal's Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli made two statements that have led to much disappointment in Delhi. Oli targeted India for the rise in COVID-19 cases in Nepal.
अहिलेसम्म हेर्दाखेरि वुहानबाट संक्रमित भएर आएको अलिक नरम देखिएको थियो, इटालीबाट आएको पनि अलिक नरमै देखिएको थियो, दुबईबाट आएको पनि अलिक नरमै देखिएको थियो, तर भारतबाट आएको चाहिँ अलिक कडा भाइरस देखिएको छ.
Less than a fortnight after Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated a motorable track to Lipulekh to facilitate the movement of pilgrims for the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, Nepal released a map claiming Lipulekh to be a part of their territory. Nepal had contested a November 2019 map released by India showing Kalapani, Limpiadhuri and Lipulekh to be a part of Indian territory. After Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated Lipulekh Road, India, in the face of Nepalese protests, had clarified that the road was built inside Indian territory.
We should not delay for a constructive diplomatic dialogue. There is no alternative to peaceful diplomacy based on dialogue between us. Given our historical heritage, cultural and unique people-to-people relationship, we can't think of anything to untoward our relationship just because of these incidents.
Key Nepal watchers suspect ultra-nationalist politics is playing out in Nepal, and there are indications that China may be pushing Nepal to adopt this anti-India stance. In fact, General M.M. Narwane, Chief of Indian Army Staff, did indicate that Nepal was protesting at someone else's behest.
There is reason to believe that they might have raised these problems, or these issues, at the behest of someone else.
There is a major rift within the ruling Nepal Communist Party between Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli and former Prime Ministers Pushpa Dahal Prachand and Madhav Nepal. In fact, the grapevine in Kathmandu has it that the Chinese ambassador to Nepal sorted out the rift between the three. And this for India should be a matter of grave concern. The rising Chinese influence in Nepal. With Geeta Mohan and cameraman Kripal Singh in Delhi, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.